doing arrangement.
What are we doing?
Arrangement.
Where are we going?
To the Moon Hotel.
We're off to Cheercomp.
The Moon Hotel.
At Stoke.
Moon Hotel.
We're waiting for Lil, aren't we?
Dad, let me know. Tell me which Moon Hotel we're going to.
We're going to the Moon Hotel in, what's it called again? Trentham. Trentham in Stoke.
I think Nikita might be going to that Moon Hotel.
No way.
But she's going to the Moon Hotel, so I think she might be going.
That's crazy. Just quickly pop it into Google. Premier Inn Stoke Trentham Gardens Hotel.
What?
So,
why is it called Garden?
don't know. It was 80 miles away. 2 hours.
80?
80, yeah. And let's. Do you want to walk any slower? Keep going. Okay.
Bye! Come in later!
Dad? Stop.
On the zephyr.
Hey! Hey! Let's go! Oh!
Flick it.
Powering off. You said she could have one, Lace. It was supposed to be a secret.
For breakfast.
Be a bit kind. This is her studio.
As you can see, the studio is.
Roundabout on train 34.
Premier Inn.
Yeah, there.
What's over there, man?
Trentham Gardens Centre.
Premier Inn there, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I remember this place.
In here?
This one last year.
Over there.
For half an hour.
We're here.
Stay. Need you, oh God. Don't stay. These beautiful things that I got.
Oh, look at you with all the energy because you've been asleep.
Please.
Are you ready to go in?
Don't
You see how
take these wonderful things that I got. Don't stay. I need you, oh God. Don't stay. These beautiful things that I got.
Let's go check out our Premier Inn. Here, Premier Inn Stoke, Trentham Gardens. We made it. We have to come back out anyway. Welcome to the Premier Inn.
Oh, my wrist bones. Dad, you missed it. You missed my leg. You can't see my leg.
Go.
Place on the coast.
We're heading in to the Premier Inn. What do we call the
scared
Premier?
of these
What do we call the
doors.
Premier Inn?
I'm scared of these doors.
What
The
do we call
moon.
the Premier Inn?
The moon.
Lacey, go first. No.
I'll go first. Come in with me if you want. Ready? Nil through.
Sneaky.
Snap time. vending machine.
Down here. Right, come on guys. Do we have to go up the elevator?
No.
No. Beth says, please tiptoe. Please tiptoe.
No.
Yeah.
Reception bar. What are we here?
Go, open the door.
Push the handle down. Do it again.
Open it.
Yes!
Did it?
You did it.
It's like a
You passed the
challenge.
first challenge.
I feel like this is so random.
Do you want me to put it in there?
I don't know why, but I just
can't
feel
see.
like it's so random.
Oh, they just turn the light off.
I just feel like this is so random.
Welcome to room number 9.
This is big.
I feel like this is so random, but
It's a nice room.
where's the light?
Is it actually, yeah?
The light aren't on.
Sid called that then, sorry. Sid jumped out my hands.
There are no lights.
What?
It's only bedside lights.
Seriously?
Yeah, that is the only light in the room. That is.
Wait, what?
That's very dark.
Look at the sink. The sink's up there, the bathroom showers.
Light.
That is the only light in the room. With the bedroom lights. So this
This
is.
is a really bright light, guys.
You
Why?
need it because you've only got one light. So turn those lights off. And this
No.
one.
To know.
So that is your only light in the bedroom
No, switch. No, don't switch that one on.
until you turn
Switch
the
that one on around the
until
corner.
you
See if
turn the
that
bed
light's
lights on.
Whoa, that
That's
I'm
the
gonna.
vanity light, bedsides,
Done.
and then you got your bathroom. So once they're all
got no
on,
lights.
it does light up the room quite a lot. So once all the lights are on, that little light is just
I
a normal
hate
light.
this room.
It's very big though.
It's a nice room.
It's very big.
I like
You got
it.
all your
but I
tea and coffee.
Hate that there's no lights.
Shall I take
Over
advantage of it in a
there.
minute? Hair
Yes, but
drying.
every single day we have to switch our bedside lights on.
I know.
Well,
And-
look a good morning.
Do you have a quick look around? Do you want to guide us round, or you?
Wait,
Want me to-
can you go out and then knock on the door?
Oh, this
Yeah. They're gonna knock to let me know that I need to knock.
Welcome. Sorry, I just saw this kitchen and I was like, let's do it. Okay, first you walk in,
Welcome to Premier Inn Stoke-on-Trent.
you see no lights.
See no lights. There is only one light.
There's no lights on the ceiling.
No, it's weird, isn't it? It's just that light there. That's it.
And then you turn the vanity on. You go over here, turn these lights on. You go over here, turn this light on. And then you go over here. And then you turn these lights on. Oh my days. And then you go
And the
into the
bathroom.
bathroom. Let's go to the bathroom first. Let's give you a little tour. So,
Excuse
Can
me,
we look at the
I
bathroom?
need some privacy.
The actual sink's here.
so the sink's here. I mean,
Open the bathroom door.
don't hate it.
Excuse me, I need some privacy.
It's like the toilet
Oh, there's
and then a shower.
No, but look inside the bath. It's not a bath. But look inside it.
The shower.
There's a seat. Great.
Look inside the shower, you meant to say.
Guys, get out.
It's very random.
Goodbye.
Isn't it? No. Hey.
You can finish your cough.
Yeah.
So then you got your shower with a seat, as Lily demonstrated. Random toilet, and then your sink's just outside. Just very random. Who's got my legs? Little monkeys. But this is your room. Tea and coffee, standard. Might have one of them in a minute. TV. Then we've got our 2 single beds for our little sloth. And we've got a nice comfy there, Kate.
Yeah.
King size bed. And our view. Can't open the window. Got a light. Doesn't work, or it does. This tells you your room temperature AC, so there might be AC somewhere over here. Which actually kicked in for a second. And this concludes our room tour of Stoke-on-Trent. What are you doing?
We're not here.
I'm not here.
So guys, our shoes are
What are you doing, bro?
Hanging. Oh. Does it notice this?
We're out early doors with everything, so we can't just...
Hanging your jumper.
Yeah, but I need to get this down somehow. Done. Okay, now I can hang it. Ooh.
Coming out of the wardrobe.
Oh, before you get dressed, where are your cheer bags?
Men in Black.
Take it, don't open their lace. Take it out.
Ow. Get off the way, mate. You can't just be lying there.
You're not waiting, mate.
One? This one?
Yeah. Yours might be the back one, lace.
No. I'm trying to get this out.
This used to be like...
They won't get out.
What do you got? Have I got one?
No.
What?
They're green.
How am I supposed to go for 14 hours?
You got that? Yeah, you got that.
Why is this hanging off?
Oh, you can take that out tomorrow, but it was just to keep it extra fresh, so don't open it.
That is pretty cool. What do you say?
Lucky Charms. Thank
You
you.
don't say Lucky Charms now.
Lucky jumps. Lucky jumps. Lucky jumps.
Who did you say thank you to?
Mum.
Well done, Mum.
You like them?
Yeah.
Fish and chips.
Hey, get down here. Get down here, vlog. Ah.
Well, no, like not like right before my routines.
We're going to unpack, we're going to shower, and then we're going to get our Just Eat,
My little man.
and then watch Men in Black 3.
I got some secret cases of my own.
What's up, Will? Woo! Grubs up!
Was I'm sorting up my loom bands. Was I'm sorting up my loom bands.
Nice. Get these on and have a look at them, shall we? Yummy! You alright? Good tea? Yes, good tea, Mum?
Yep.
You ready for bed? You organise your loom bands? Huh?
What?
You ready for bed? You think see you tomorrow?
See you tomorrow.
Want to bam out?
3, 2, 1. Bam!
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And you subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel.
Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up.
Bam!
Bye guys!
Bye, guys.